The Mastery Book does not limit how many standards you can add to your school. But as a side effect of this, you can sometimes encounter a situation where you have so many standards loaded that you can have trouble viewing them through your Mastery Book. So even as you see here, as I'm scrolling, the scroll bar is barely moving on the side, and when I scroll fast enough, it looks like it's blank. And really what's happening is they're just loading in the background, and then they appear. However, on some machines that can be running a little bit slower, this can take a really long time, and it can even look like the standards drop-down isn't loading at all. So there's a great fix for this. What you'd like to do is simply use the filter to select class-specific standards. And so class-specific standards will make this drop-down only load those standards which are specific to your class. And so in this case, it's only that many, and it loads at lightning speed because the number on the list is reduced. Now, it is necessary to set up class-specific standards. So if you select this and there's nothing here, it may be because it hasn't been set up yet. So to set up class-specific standards, what you need to do is go into the Manage tab. So in the Manage tab, you would go to the Standards section, drop down your standards tree, and look for the Custom section. The Custom section is going to have a list of all of your classes. So pick the class that you're currently teaching. And to add standards to the class that you're teaching, you would find those standards out of those that are school-wide standards. So under school-wide standards, let's say we wanted to get these college and career-ready indicators. I would click Add a Standard Group to the subset list. So add the group. I'd click on the group that I want to add. And then what this does is it adds the selected group and everything that falls underneath it. Once you click Save, the selected groups will be those that populate the drop-down in your Mastery Book.